I have a Lilo and Stitch puzzle that I have completely neglected. Completely. Um, I wanted to do it and then put it in a frame, and I think I spilled water on the puzzle once, and then I just haven't touched it since. So it's been collecting dust on my floor. I was on Amazon the other day, and I found like a puzzle board, but it turns into a frame. So we're gonna at least transfer the puzzle over and go from there. Um, I haven't done much today, as you can tell. It's just really been laundry pretty much today. I do have run club later, so kind of just doing nothing until then. This is a heavy. Oh, oh yeah. We'll see how. I think this is the right size for my puzzle. Oh well. If not, we'll make it work. It is Saturday. It doesn't even feel like it's Saturday, but it's Saturday. I have just been at home chilling all day today. I went to my mailbox. There was nothing in it. I'm patiently waiting for a package something from Tarte, from the Tarte team. When I came back from the London trip with them, they said they would be sending me something as just like some goodies. And I give them my address, and they were like, oh, okay, should be there soon. It hasn't come yet, but it technically hasn't been like 10 business days, which is the average from New York to Texas. So Monday would be when I should be probably concerned if I don't get it on Monday. But anyways, um I'm excited because I don't know what they sent me. So it's going to be a whole surprise. Um and today Maureen announced a new giveaway for Milan, which oh my god, would be freaking amazing. But I doubt that would ever happen again. But it's exciting because that means someone else gets to experience like the amazing generosity that like she and her team have. So I'm very excited. I literally sent it to everyone I know who was so mind blown that I went. And I was like, now's your chance for Milan. So ding. Honestly, by the time you watch this, the competition is still open. It doesn't close till the 10th. So go enter for a chance to go see Taylor Swift in Milan for legit free because it's real. So just saying. Anyways, I don't miss job hunting. I feel like I've applied to like at least one new job every day, at least one every day, a few a day, but at least one. And this like waiting game to see if I'm gonna get like an interview or just denied or moved up or anything. I get it. It was a holiday week. I get it. But some of these I applied to before the holiday week. And I still haven't heard anything. So I feel like I'm just out of like, come on, guys. I just want to start at least interviewing places, you know? So I'm job searching right now. I applied for unemployment for the time being. We'll see if I qualify or get anything because I applied but it didn't tell me anything. So we'll see. But yeah, I just, in a way, I kind of feel defeated, you know, because nothing has gotten back to me. But in another way, everything happens for a reason, right? Like the job's going to appear when it appears, when it's supposed to appear. And so I just have to have like full faith and just keep reminding myself that because it's going to come. My chance is coming. I've applied to some pretty awesome like dream jobs. So I'm finger crossing for them. But that's pretty much where we are. Like I said, I've just been chilling today. I haven't done much of anything. I showered. But yeah, so we're just gonna keep job hunting and trying to, my goal, we're manifesting this. I will have a job by the end of this month. We're manifesting that. I will have a job by the end of July. We're making it happen, guys. We're gonna make it happen. At this point, I'm open to whatever comes to my table, whatever comes to my plate, whatever. Because honestly, I have considered once my lease ends to look outside of San Antonio, outside of Texas, outside of the US. Just saying. But it's going to be way too expensive to break my lease. So that's why I'm like, I just need something to hold me over till like April. Well, not even till before April because the lease ends in April. To just hold me over. So that's where we are. I don't know if it's... No, I do know. Today I am wearing my Eras Tour shirt. And I don't know if other people do this, but that means it's friendship bracelet time. I have not worn these since I got back because I want to like memento them. But it felt like Eras bracelet. I should wear it, right? Anyways, it's Sunday. Let's go to my parents' house.